Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, picture mode, so all we need to do is to tap on the settings. In this configuration, these are in the left lower corner, so just tap on it. And here on the second position, we've got the self timer. So just tap on it and we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. Let me go back. And now all we need to do is to tap on the shutter button. Moreover, here, right on the side actually, we've got the timer information, so we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not. So now let's simply tap on the shutter button and our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. To turn off the timer you need to enter the settings again, tap on self timer and here choose off. And after getting back, you can see that the device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.